Presenting a pre-owned 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 145,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the majestic 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. This beast is powered by a roaring Ecotec 3.6-2L V8 engine that produces a whopping 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. If that doesn't make your heart race, then you might want to check your pulse, my friend. Now, let's talk about the factory default features. This baby is loaded with all the bells and whistles you could ever dream of. You will get automatic headlights, a power liftgate, and heated power mirrors. Plus, you will be cruising in style with its sleek Onyx Black exterior and jet black interior. But wait, there's more. This Yukon Denali also comes with a clean CARFAX report, so you can drive with confidence knowing that it's been well taken care of. And with 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 on the highway, you'll save a few bucks on gas too. Who says you can't have your cake and eat it too? Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and window defogger.